A lot of people ask me what's the first thing I should do with my new LC250. My advice, unless you're a hardcore off-roader, don't rush into big tires or a lift kit just yet. This trunk is already great out of box, but to keep global costs down, the factory left some gaps in the details. The 3 modes I'm showing you today cost about the same as 2 tanks of gas. But gas burns away. This part will stay with your trunk for hundreds of thousands of miles. Before we jump in, if you like this kind of no-nonsense content, hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel. First up, this hydraulic hood struts. The LC250 hood is huge and heavy, yet it still comes stock with this old-school manual prop rod. Every time you open the hood, you'll start holding up this heavy piece of metal while fumbling for the rod. It's just not a good experience. Our struts use factory-bored holes, zero drilling required. This smooth one-handed operation is how a truck this size should feel. Quick tip for the install. If the gaps look slightly off, make sure the ball joint is on the inside. Also, it doesn't matter which end is up. It works perfectly either way. Second is engine bulk mesh. If you look at the LC250 grille, the openings are massive. If you do a lot of highway miles or hit the trails, you know how hard it is to clean out bugs, deadlifts, and rocks from the radiator. This mesh is all about balancing protection and airflow. It's like an invisible shield that stops debris without choking your engine. It's a set it and forget it mode that protects your core components. Plus, it blends in perfectly for an OEM look. Finally, we have these heavy-duty flexible mud flaps. Compare this to the factory ones. The stock parts are hard plastic with zero flex. They snap easily in the cold or when you bump a rock. Ours are made of high-quality flexible rubber. No matter how you bend it, they snap right back. For your off-roaders, we added a retaining strap so the flaps don't get stuck into the tires when you are reversing in deep mud. These are direct fit into OEM holes. If you are running wider flares or offset wheels, these are the must to protect your paint and the guy driving behind you. Modding isn't always about changing how the trunk looks, it's about making it work better. To me, these 3 upgrades are phase 1 for any practical LC250 build. You can find all of this at Plomor.com. New guys get 10% off their first order. I will leave the links in the description. If you have any questions about the install, drop a comment below. I will see you in the next one. This is DHG. Bye bye.